So I'm just kind of warming up here, but there's a whole hell of a lot of crap going on in the background of this video. The old Brunswick, I used to play on this. I played Donnie Long on this table every single day for a year. And Donnie's no longer with us, but the guy in the background who I really want you to focus on during this video is the world famous James Lewis. Legendary bar table player in this region, and to this day, every time a pool player in this region doesn't really know what to do, they ask themselves, what would James do? Yep, it's James Lewis back there assessing my game and who I'm trying to bait into stepping up for a brand new match against the not so famous John Disque. And Squirrely, who you might hear in the background back there, she knows everything that's going on here because I've filled her in, and James's woman does not look interested, but I think I have James's attention as he's assessing my pool game and wondering if it's time to match up again. And James, babe, what a character this guy is. You know, he spent many years traveling around with a traveling carnival and playing pool in his off days. And he used to run that game, you know the game Whack-A-Mole, where you get a mallet and the heads pop up and you sort of knock the heads back down before they go down by themselves, and you know, when you miss it, the game kind of laughs at you, and then you're more determined to get it right, and you spend $35, you're finally whacking them all, and he hands you a little plastic whistle. Yeah, born hustler here. Step right up and play, James. Come on, I'm begging you.
I'll highlight that. Because I don't know what I'm doing, John. After 2 years, really? Just give me another 2.
Now, ladies know best. Always remember that, guys. The ladies know best. And once you're retired, you must stay retired. you've done your time and it's time to move on. But it was really good to see James. I miss the old guy. And now it's time to get down to the real business of learning something about the game of 9. Yeah, it was a good break. Really good break. Issue is getting on the 2-ball from here without scratching in the side, because I like to let my stroke out, and in this position you could baby it back to center table, but I really want to go to the right hand route and bounce off. And like I said, the big problem here is scratching. So I avoid the side pocket and bounce off, and to me that's exactly what I want to do. I don't like letting up on my stroke, because that's when I tend to make mistakes. And now it's all about getting back on the 5-ball, and and again you got to worry about that side pocket here. And you could come up under the 5, but then you have less margin of error, and you also have to spin the hell out of the cue ball, which is when you're dealing with deflection and all. And the 6-ball is all about getting on the left-hand side of it. But I get a little bit straight on the 6, so I'm just going to draw it back and not go 2 rails at all. I'm pretty much straight in, so I'm just going to kind of stop the cue ball. It has a shot, and there's a lot of ways you can shoot this 7-ball shot, and you have to get on the 9 because the 8 went on the break, and draw was my best shot. I went a little long there, but it's still okay. I knew I had plenty of margin of error, and it wouldn't matter if I come up a little bit long. I just don't want to come up a little bit short on that 9-ball, because then you have a really hard shot on it. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.